A little bit on the warmer side today, still below freezing. So this would be a good start for the cold start video. It's definitely been cold. Haven't started in a couple months actually, since like mid-November or so. At least most of the stuff. That one there in the backpack, the steel 600. These ones haven't been started in a long time, probably 4 or 5, maybe even close to 6 months. I think like end of September, last time I started. First, gonna go see how thick the ice is today. I'll bring you all along, you can see. Drill and that little ladle thing. Tape measure, so let's go see. It's slippery. It plowed last night. Got a look at it. Let's get out a little bit and drill a hole. There we go. Get you guys set up. Alright, right there is where we're going to drill it. Chip a little bit. Alright. There. Needle. Not as thick as I actually thought it would be. Tape measure on it. Where is it? Oh, like 11. Right there. Oops. Only about 11 inches. Not too thick. Still thick enough to walk on. I'd be sure thicker than that. So we didn't see yesterday's video. Put this thing back together for the most part last night. I ultrasonic cleaned the carbs, so that should be good to go. Just gotta assemble it. Get it in the house. Forgot to bring it out with me. Only carry so many things. So just gonna put that tank back on. And I think the carb and the air cleaner and all that. And it should be good to go. But that's not on the agenda for right now. That's maybe later. We're supposed to be getting snow tonight. Nobody knows how much. At one point I saw it was 8 to 12, and it went to just a dusting, then we went to 2 to 4, 3 to 6, and I think 4 to 7, and then it jumped back down again like 1 to 2, and then so it's been all over, nobody knows. But I think it is safe to say that we will be getting something. I don't know how much, but we will see tomorrow. It's supposed to start like early in the morning tomorrow. Crossing my fingers for either a delay or cancellation so I could play in the snow a little bit with these things. And maybe not have it so cold out there. But anyway, let's get to some cold starts like the purpose of the video before. And I guess we'll start with this one since it's right here. Got about a half tank of gas. If I was going to run it, get it warm, then drain the fuel, and then run it out of the lines. That's what I usually do. This is an FS70RC, had about 2 years. It's a nice channel. It's the first one in the steel commercial or professional series. Get this here. Runs the 90 or 95 on whatever the orange line is. I'm not a professional here. Alright, let's see if we get that out there. Get that out there and get you guys set up again. Hopefully that view will work for you guys. Whoa, it's that falling ice. Let's give it a little shake. Just to make sure. 2 strokes all well mixed in. So up here you got a little choke switch. Push it in, flip it up. Maybe. And I'm gonna give it a prime a couple times. 4. And then just start it. Give it a pull. Clutch isn't even letting go all the way. Let that warm up and we'll get to the next one, which I think will be the BR600 back controller. Next up is the BR600. It is orange. It looks red because the lighting. Get them full. For this one, choke, you don't have to push this one in, just turn it up. I have a new primer for that in the spring. Doesn't want to rise again. Camera there. Put there. Yeah, last blower wants to blow away. You let it on idle and don't hold it, and it'll start spinning around in circles. This one, I don't even know what the model number is. RB24EAP, I guess. This one, just like the other one, really good shape. Right? Primer there. Got like 3 pumps. A little choke right there on the side. Push that down. And there she goes. is the FS46 trimmer, curve shaft. This uses the .80 coin. I think it's 80. .080. So this one, you shake first. This thing you gotta make sure the power switch is on. Then you come down here, pull that up, and you put the little switch. Full choke. Primer is very slow on this one. It's taking it though. Get that to work. And finally, for the FS45, this one I'm not too sure about, although it was kept in the garage, so it's a little bit warmer. We'll see. On. I do a thing with the switch. There's a little click thing, that's the hold it and run. Yep, fuel on that much. Choke. Kind of struggle with this one. I think it needs a new primer bulb. Sounds like it's stuck in air somehow. I'll give it a whirl. Let's see what it'll do. Nothing to lose, so. Almost. Yeah, that's all in. Two trucks. Oh, right down there. Big fun. The sandblaster, so you don't spill the media all over the place. I got about half a gallon, maybe a third gallon of two-stroke gas. I won't use. I must have to use the machine through the winter, but I still got another like half gallon of other stuff. I'm still gotta run the chainsaw, so gotta cut down a tree net this weekend. That's good enough. Do that right. Maybe. Leave that right there. Put it in yet. Just started to snow. I still gotta get my trailer out in case it snows, which it will. And as I have said multiple times now, Saturday we're getting a new machine and we're gonna need it. Because the truck's not registered and I don't even know if it'll fit in it. That was a big hint there. Yeah, there's actually 4 foot between there. Haven't seen a stock cub that's more than 4 foot wide. And that always comes out. So, anyway, it's not registered, it needs to be insured. And it needs new plates. That's Connecticut one. Not shown you for long. I don't know what that is. Registration, I don't know. Who knows? Tag on the back, it's like 2008, I don't know, mission what? Okay. We got these tires. There's a fire back there. One little fire, I don't know if it's good or bad. Probably can't even see it. Right there. Don't think it's a light. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on it, see what's gonna happen. If anything gets into a big blaze, I'll take video. Anyways, I'm taking this over. This is somewhat at a registration. We had to get the new. We're supposed to go January 1st, but that didn't happen. Oh, I can't see it. That's the point. It has 17 stickers on it still. We had to got like a printout one online. And then it's like a 10-day until you get, because, yeah, 10 until you get the new one, the actual sticker in the mail. So how easy or hard it'll be to move this. There's a good 4 inches of snow around it. And the 1450 that usually does this stuff. It used to be the 125 until I need to put a new canister seal on it for the hydraulic, where the fluid, the reservoir. And I haven't done that yet. Trailer's like 1,000 pounds, something close. Oh, between all the extras, we have the wheel and then the box full of tools and stuff, and straps and whatever else, snow and ice. Plus, just it being stuck and sitting here for so long. I don't know if it's gonna even go. But we'll try to push it. Yeah, it's not moving. I can't even get the tongue to go up. It's frozen. Yeah. I have to switch that real quick. Put it on. The lucky one. Put it on this one. Why not? He's a true savior right now. Throw it on her. See if we can lift it up, because I can't break that loose for nothing. Usually it goes up with these. Like a path going through here now. Look at that. Only walked through here tons of times. Close this down. Maybe. Alright, I'm back in here. Show you what we gotta take off real quick before it gets dark. Probably stop that, but it's at half on top. Either half or 9/16, I'm not sure. It's kind of close. And 3/4 on the bottom. Let's see if we could. Like wrenches. So I had modified this hitch. I think these are for like an original or something with a shorter span, because those were original to it. However, they're like super short. So I had to kind of modify it to kind of work properly on one of these. So what I did, just the U bracket, I think somebody messed that up, because that's supposed to be there, I think, I'm pretty sure. But either way, I got one of these hitch receivers from Harbor Freight, and a couple bolts and nuts on the bottom, and you just take that off. I actually leave it as a whole unit, unless I'm going to plow day. I only had 2 of these, now I have 3, but I'm probably gonna have 3 tractors going this year, so gonna need another one. You just pop those off if you ever have to, but I'm gonna take it from the back of the transmission and that one up there, and it should be good to come off. Plus it gives me more way to enter here for now. Maybe that'll stay, maybe it won't. Covered in snow too. Always take it off. Self-explanatory. Undo the bolts. Undo that bolt. Comes off. Problem solved. Well, I just ended up leaving it on there, and we got it pushed across the yard, so that worked. Oh, I should have the radio. YouTube's real strict with copyright, so can't have anything playing in the background. Anyways, took that's still there. There's the car. There it is. There it is. Came out nice. Actually, I had the bottom off and all that. Just put that back on. And I'm going to make another video on how to put a carb on. So stay tuned for that. I'll make it right now. Other than that, still nobody knows what we're getting for snow. It's 17 now, but I think once it starts snowing, it's just going to stick immediately because of how cold it is and how cold it's been. So, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Made it a little bit more interesting, doing some cold starts out there earlier. So, shut that one. Nope, it's not. Still trying to figure out these new locks. That's it, right? There. Perfect. Thank you for watching it. If you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, as always, move on to the next one. Hopefully something you're more interested in or actually like. It's not 10, it's 9. Just got back. Dinner. It was good. You know people that like cold starts? You know, it's a big popular thing on YouTube. Got like old starts and cold starts, same thing. One day we're gonna get that thing going. It's a 1955 Elgin outboard at 7.5 horse, 2-stroke, 2-cylinder. So it'd be pretty nice to get going again. Hasn't been started in I think 30 years now. It'd be nice to get that going again. Has compression, it's not seized, that's good. Other than that, we will catch you next time in another video. Hopefully that'll be this carb installation one. That should go pretty easy, nice and simple. So, catch you then. Thanks for watching.